My paint mixing scheme arrived yesterday from Mipa, and today's job is to put it together. Luckily, I did see that they gave me some instructions, which even included how to open the box. So, let's go. What is in this box? Some bolts. With the first panel. Really is heavy. That's hard work. Easier. It is just put the other side on. Cross braces. Like I just put a shelf on. You know, you have that feeling that this really shouldn't be this difficult. Well, so far it seems to be going okay. They're actually pretty easy to put in. You kind of slot them down and they've got these little hooks like that. And you sort of wiggle them around until they fit. And then the bolt goes underneath. Got that one wrong the first time because the nut is on top. And that's it really. I think I'm about to run into a bit of a problem with height. But apart from that, I'm doing all right. They told me the engineer wouldn't be here till Wednesday. Oh dear. Last one. Last two. Looks like it's just the tops of the shelves now. Well, it looks like the spindles are next that go up in the corners, but to be honest, I'm starving. I'll go get some lunch. So back from lunch, feeling a little less hungry now. And we've got to do the spindles at that end, and then the pretty bits. And that's it, should be done. These are actually quite simple. I've got these, just little spindly things. So that one goes up at the top bit, that one's on the bottom, sit together, and then that goes over the knobbly bit at the bottom, and it's all sorted. And this is just the make it pretty bit. They do have these tiny little like guide plastic bits, so we can get them so it will stay in the same place. But pretty simple really. That last one was not easy. Next it says, ooh, get to the pretty bits next. Let's go. I'm not going to put that one in yet because there is a front piece and I'm not sure how that goes on yet, so let's do the other side. Ugh. Oh. Okay. It's pretty. Just needs its paint and to go back against the wall and the electrics. This might be a big job. Ooh. Oh. Oh. It's a good job I decided to do this before I put the paint in. I'm getting a feeling that these should be going in a particular order. 320. Let's just get them out. Just get them out. They're the paddles. I think we're out. Oh, I'm getting out. done this wrong. I'll be back in 10 minutes when I've fixed it. Made myself some tea after that. I don't know if you can see very well from there, but there are more on these shelves of the stirrer things than there are on this shelf. And this shelf is slightly larger because of the larger tins than the rest of them. And I put this shelf on the bottom. So I just had to take the whole thing apart and move this shelf and swap it with that shelf. Excuse me for 10 minutes while I try and work out what order this is all supposed to go in. Okay, A's. A, T. Oh, it hasn't even got a leg. Right, I think I've got these organised. They are in an order that makes sense to me, but I'm sure someone somewhere will have a different opinion. All I've got to do now is fit these paddles and put it all back up. See you in 10 minutes. I'm down to my last tin to put the paddles in. And in case you wanted to know what they look like, this strange contraption is them. So this is the bit that goes inside the paint pot, and this turns around to mix the paint up and keep it nice. Then it goes, it's got these really tight little levery things to keep it secure on top, and then a little jug poury thing to pour it out when you use it. Like that. Whoa, that's a bright red. And then what I've got to do is push it in nice and tight. There you go, and then lock it in, which sounds easier than it is. There we go, and slot it in. The paddle will automatically lock itself. Okay, that's the paddles in, and now I just need to stick my stickers on so I know what colours I'm going for. It's all up, and I feel like it's finished, but I've got, oh my god, these two boxes that I can't move together. So we'll just carry one at a time. One, and then this one. Those two boxes. We've got this box. This one I have already opened, I know what's in this one. And then this one here, which is like a big, giant one. And a whole load of nuts and bolts. Kind of looks like this one comes with a gift card. This is a spectrophotometer, and I'm pretty sure what you do with it is you point it at what it is you want to match the paint to, and it tells you how to do it. Very snazzy. Cool. Pop them somewhere safe. Nope, no idea. Not a clue. Oh, got even more of these. I've got 2 boxes of these. Paint colour swatches. I wonder if this is what you hang them up on. It's packaging. Nothing particularly exciting in there. I'm kind of disappointed now. Snazzy. Cool. Guess we should put that up then. There's my colour chips. That was much easier than the tins. They came with instructions. So now I've just got my scales and my paint shaker. But right now I've got a pressing engagement with a Fruity Italian. So